My car won't jump and the battery is good. Welcome to Mercie J Auto Care, where compassion and craftsmanship come together. I'm Rick Smith. So what we're talking about here is you go out and you turn the key and you get either a single click or you don't get any noise at all and the car doesn't crank over. So you've had your battery tested and it is healthy and good. Now, first of all, if the engine's cranking over, then it has nothing to do with the battery. We're either not getting fuel or spark, or we have some sort of an engine problem. But we got a good battery. It won't start. Jumping is not going to help. So the first thing we need to look at is the battery cables. We have to make sure that they're connected to the battery well. We have to make sure that the connection between the terminal and the cable is good. And then the cables go to other places. The negative cable typically goes to the engine block. The positive cable typically goes to the starter. Those connections have to be good. So let's say those connections are good. The next thing we could have is we could have possibly a starter problem. So we're going to take a voltmeter or some sort of test equipment, and we're going to try to start the car, and we're going to see if the starter has a command signal to operate. If it has a good command signal, then we probably have a bad starter. If we don't have a good command signal, now we could have a problem with the ignition switch or some wiring. And then lastly, we could also have a problem with the immobilizer system or security system. Perhaps the car is thinking someone's stealing it and not allowing the starter command to happen. So I hope this has been informational to you. Until next time, safe travels and blessings to you.